I need a second to take a breath, to keep me guessing with what you said. You're in my head. We're on.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a bubble bath with everything that is going on currently. I know it's easy to forget to take care of yourself, but never forget that you are important and you deserve some self-love. You don't have to go to the spa. You can do this in your house. And there's all the things that are here. You'll find them in my Amazon storefront that is linked in the description. So basically, you don't have to have everything that I'm going to have here. I think the most important thing is this table, and you can just customize it to your liking. So I normally love to have the fruits, wine, candle, just to set the mood right, and then you can have like a face mask if you have that. And then later in this video we are going to do an everything shower, Shein unboxing. Yeah, so stay with me to the end.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade, fade away? Can we let it fade, fade away? We'll take it day by day. Can we watch it fade, fade away?
For my everything shower, I'm using Tree Heart Dragon Fruit body scrub. I recently discovered these, and also Dove usually have a body wash similar to these, and they're usually so nice. And with this, I just love the consistency of these, and this is what you're going to use for today. So basically it's just like exfoliation, and then I'll be using the body wash, the bar soap, the body wash, face cleanser, and then that's it for the body care.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing. And suddenly
For body care, I'll be using Saltea. In Dove, there's the deodorant, and Saltea for the body oil, deodorant, and the body butter. So these ones, for Saltea one, they are kind of a bit expensive, but they are worth it. They are so good. I've been using them for some time. As you can see, they're almost done, especially the deodorant. It's very nice, and you're going to see like the difference it's going to make, especially if you have a dry skin. So you start with the body oil and then you apply the body butter. I never used to use actually body butter before. I'm like a lotion girly, but I discovered they're kind of nice. Sometimes I use them and they're actually very nice.
Oh, I got lost on the way to you in an orange sky by the ocean blue. Every mile lost, my soul renewed, taken by the sunrise and the golden view. Walking slowly in the mountains underneath the constellations. Yeah, I know that you've been waiting for me. Time is losing all its meaning, like I'm living in a dream, and I've been chasing all the feelings I need. It's in these moments with
Time for face care. I'm using theirs toner pads, and then I'll be using Numbers-In number 9 toner, Medicube jelly cream, and Goodall dark spot serum. And then that's it for the face care. Later on, I'm going to take the liquid collagen. I've been trying to take liquid collagen every day. So that is from Elo. I'm going to link it below. It's from Amazon. And then I started recently taking these probiotic gummies from Lemmy, and they're actually very nice. It's something new.
you said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade, fade away? Can we let it fade, fade away? We'll take it day by day. Can we watch it fade, fade away? Can we let it fade? Can we let it fade away? Can we? Can we let it fade? Can we watch it fade away? You said that you've been searching, silencing your mind.
I ordered some packages from Shein and Temu, so let's do a bit of unboxing and you'll tell me. So I'm trying to find like a dress, an outfit for something that I have to attend next week. So I did order some shoes to go with the red dress. So this is how they look like. So this is how the shoes look like. I'm going to try on these shoes and then you'll tell me what you think about them. The red dress looks a bit heavy at the bottom. That's how it looks like. So I'm going to wear this and then you're going to tell me if I should wear this. I'm not sure. Oh, so this is the yellow dress actually. I thought it was pink. Why do I forget when I keep on ordering a lot of items? So that's how the yellow dress looks like. I ordered a lot of items. Capital One had an offer, like I don't know, some percent off, so I ordered a lot of items and they keep on showing on my door every day. Oh, okay, these are items from TikTok shop. On the outfit and then I'll show you guys. Okay, moment of truth. Let me show you how the dress looks like. I don't know if it should go with a necklace or not. Let me know in the comment section, but it actually looks so good. So let me show you the dress and the shoes. This is the first dress. So what do you think? So I don't know if you guys can see the shoes. Let me lower the camera a bit. This dress number 2, and these are the shoes that I'm trying to wear with this dress. I do feel like my calves are a bit out, so because I do have like a big bust, but the rest of the dress looks cute though. So let me wear the shoes and then I'll show you how it looks like.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like heaven's not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony? I can't help but sing.